What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown from Metaplanet with the ticker symbol 3350 and MTPLF. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. It's a very strong move up higher for Metaplanet, a little bit unsustainable, so it was due for a pullback. We could see continued selling pressure towards the $800 level. That's where the EMA is at. But the keyword is but. Sometimes when the trend is really strong, we just continue to move up higher and higher. So this could be just the small amount of pullback that we get for another potential large move up higher before we see price consolidate or pull back lower. So I would say regardless, it's showing a lot of aggressive buying, which is a good sign for the future. If you're a bull, in the meantime, we could see a little bit more downside, maybe pull back to fill in the gap at 967, potentially all the way to the lower $800 level to relieve some of this overextension. But I would say regardless, I don't think this is the top. I think most likely we'll see higher prices past that in the future. But it's just hard to say if price is going to continue moving at this exponential rate, or we're going to pull back first and then continue to move up higher. So either we move up higher or we move down lower first in the short term and then move up higher. I don't say or think that this is the top and we're just going to move down lower straight. I think that's a lower probability. Let's take a look at MTPLF. See, this one shows a better pullback where we saw the huge overextension pulling back to the EMA. Typically, that's where price comes back to, right around that average based on the last 21 bars. And looks like we're relieving some of that overextension. The rubber band effect is, snapping back to its stasis point or this natural normal point instead of being stressed. So it's coming back. Looks like it's ready for a potential reload higher. It could go back a little bit lower, maybe all the way down towards $5 on this chart. So again, looks like price has been pulling back more on this chart than the Tokyo Stock Exchange equivalent. So expect lower prices, more likely than not, but then higher prices after, maybe for another pump up higher, or higher prices sooner than later instead of going down lower. So I don't expect this to be a top and we consolidate for a long time. I don't think that's going to happen, especially with Bitcoin on the precipice of breaking out higher. Looking at Metaplanet back on the weekly charts, log scale overextended, but still bullish. If you draw a channel off the swing lows, you drag this up. That fits pretty good. It's not the best fitting channel in the world, but it will do. Maybe something like that. We have a lot of room to the upside. You could even do a measure move target, and that's still at slightly higher prices. One leg up right there, second leg up, and basically right around about 1335. We almost got there. So give or take $100. Targets aren't always reached. So this might be good enough. So overall, still looks good. Most likely you can see higher prices. It might come up for this peak right here at 6,800 and maybe make a new all-time high in the future. So all I have for Metaplanet on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.